Welkom bij een nieuw episode and video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, programmed in online mode in Python with propeller at the back end to signal that if the algorithm is running or not. USB camera on front for OpenCV. Two sensors to signal. Two sensors at the front to signal any object, and a lamp to signal any event in case of turning, etc. Last time I experienced some problems using the camera as well as the distance. It wouldn't run at all. So let me see if I can make contact anyway. Yes, right now I can. I can. Last time I couldn't come in contact at all, and I had to reset it. Now it goes in itself quite nice. So let me try to no, not run anything, but first clean everything from last time, and I think okay. That looks good. There's also a data file from last time which indeed doesn't do anything except for two things that are 0, and that is immediately the start of the current problem, as well as with the other model, by the way. What about data? What about counter and distance? Counter should go up, distance should go down. What happens? Neither. Or, well, neither is not the exact word, but it doesn't do what it is supposed to do. I already changed the algorithm, but let's first see what it does in this way. So, starting the algorithm. By the way, the battery is, as usual, freshly charged. On screen I have output that doesn't look like anything, and it goes out immediately by a 0 image. That doesn't feel good. That is not nice. Alright, let's try again. And once again I get network error. So the whole misery starts from all over again, I'm afraid. Now I have a nice image, so that's something. It's still in the camera routine. Another image is being made, and it should have, yes, there it goes, finally, and lamp. Wow, that took a while, and it's over by a 0 image. So yeah, well, let's examine some stuff, because this is a far from promising start. So with this first very annoying start, let's see whatever happens. This is the first successful run. All is 1, while is 1, then a few successful images, then here contact, counter, everything not nice. Well, sonar is 24, that's good. Then it comes here, here, hooray, it does something except that it is 0, which I don't like, but it hasn't run, so it doesn't do a thing. So let's see whatever happens with this 35. Oh yeah, right, it is a 0 image, so I need to look one back, which is no, oh, not 35 but 34 then. Yep, that's one, which also means that I have to take this one and see. Last time, at least I think it was last time, this algorithm OpenCV didn't show red. Now it very nicely shows red. I know I used the algorithm with the walking robot as well, and there I had a severe problem that it showed yellow, but here it shows nicely red. So that is what I want. Only black and red. Nice. But let's run it again. And I know there are well, it's not flat, but I want to see whatever happens. And I don't want to see this. Well, those images are at least nice. Propeller runs, good, very good. Next, what happens? Oh, right, let me lift. Oh, I don't need to lift because it already runs with a lamp. That's good. Now it needs to go further. Between 15 and 20. I'm okay with that. But it doesn't do anything else. It should run. Oh, and the infamous 0 image. So now we have 1840. So let's search for that one. I don't care. This one. Oh, wrong choice. Yeah. So that will be not 46 but 33. Yeah. It has close. It's closer. And I need the result image. Yep. Oh. Look at these two. This was nice. This not so much. But why? That's interesting. This is interesting. Anyway, let's go on. If it does go on, that is. That's a no. And we have something running. But what does it do? Eventually run with the lamp? I hope. Shall I lift it again? Please go. The motors don't run. No, still don't run. The lamp goes, but that's all. And of course no sound, but yeah, lamp, right, but I want to see some motor action. Yeah, motor action please. I'm lifting the wheels from the ground. Yeah. Yeah, right. And enter it. So, lamp between 15 and 20. Yeah. What should it do then? Less centimeters. But let's see what difference in the OpenCV. That's 44,838. 44,38. And then result. Oh, that's not so good. Well, it's better than this image, although that is to say is it better? Okay, come on with everything. Alright. 34, this 33, so this was the first. This one goes here, this one goes here. No, that's not true. This one is later. So this is the sequence. This is the sequence in history. A very brief history of time. And no, I didn't write that book, that was a genius. Okay, I think it's a little bit better, but not were absolutely not as good as that one. Alright. So it looks like that the closer it is, the worse it gets. Right, next. Okay, next step, flatten the whole thing out. So that's flat, or whatever. Will that help? I doubt it. Can try anyway. Yeah, not in that way. And that's an oops, a direct oops. Alright, what is the battery voltage right now? I can't see, so in comes ROBOPro. And by the way, I have to run it using Wine. Because it is a Windows software, and with Wine you emulate Windows libraries so it can run. So 8,8. So it's not a problem of the battery. Oh, and let me then immediately check anything else. So I put this on 3. Alright, that kind of works. Kind of works, yes. Then I put this to 4, clockwise, counterclockwise. Ooh, that slips. Clockwise, counterclockwise. You can't see that on the camera, but this wheel slips, and I assume this one does too. So this surface slips, but this one does too. So what to do about that one? Then it's not just a matter of weight, but a matter of surface anyway. And if I take these wheels, yeah, do new wheels make it better? I have other wheels, but I'm not quite sure. Or, now I don't have more motors, so I can't put other wheels in there unless I change the whole setup and have wheels there as well, running freely. Oh, that can be an idea. Have the same large wheels somewhere here, or just one. Have it or at both sides, and have it then walk along. That could be an idea. Anyway, let's try again. Or did I do? Yeah, I did. And I need which one? Oh no, I did not. So let's go again. Yeah, and camera set, whatever. That's something, but still not what I like. Okay, propeller runs, that's one thing. Lights, please. And sound and action. Yep, that is light. And a little bit running. And I would like to see that repeated. Yes. Okay, so flatter surface does matter, apparently. Yes. 10 to 12. I'm waiting. But for what? And that's the end. So the last one is 1856. (1856) and then not 18, but oh, I need 4. Okay. Yeah, and of course I did change the position, but it is about the color. And here I can see that it takes all red and no yellow. So in principle that's good. Yep. Oops. Oh. In principle this is, my mouse does act funny, but anyway, yeah, alright. How to go on? Fair question. It runs, but it slips, and I think, to put on the other big wheels as well. But when? And well, that is for now the end. What can we learn? Well, we learned that these wheels are rather slippery. Also, that even tiny bumps like this, when they are here, they apparently cause huge problems. That it runs pretty slowly by now. And apparently the closer they are, the more problematic the images are, but I can't confirm that yet. So next time probably a change with the tires. Those will stay, but 2 of them here, and probably in freely running situation. Have to decide yet, but it's an interesting idea, and whatever comes next. So thank you for watching, If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a donation, small or large, up to you. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, or as well as with my video, videos in the video or in the description box, depending on the pledge you make. And this is of course going to be continued. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.